ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, the price drop. Now the thing is how deep this one can go before we get the buy. Okay, now first of all, we refer to my last video when the price was here. We mentioned the best things if you're looking for buy, we get the one move down, the price break this one, then any buy setup from there we will be interested. This is what I explained. And as we can see, the price drop, we get the second correction and drop. And beside that, when we have been within this move, I was keep mentioning that if anyone wants to buy, any buy should be a short-term buy. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. Okay, now the thing is, it's drop. We want to see whether we can get the buy set up or not, how deep this one can go. Okay, we start with daily chart. Okay, based on daily, even if we refer to our analysis, when we have been within this move, I was keep pointing that we need to be quite careful with the buy, because anytime price can sharply drop or continue similar to what we have here. I was pointing on this. Okay, I will mention both options we will have, but we need to be careful. And even if we refer to the indicators, losing the momentum, even make the okay. Now, even if we move to forward chart, even based on the forward chart, if we put this one, as long as the price is moving higher and higher, make the showing the divergence and as well here. Okay, that's why every time you mention we are within this trade, within this trend, but we need to see is removing a corrective. And every time the price break the previous type, may can give us one move down. Okay, this is what we have been. Because every time when we see they have this kind of the movement, we can expect the sharp move down. Because I mean, for price to continue and keep the up move, if I move to the daily chart, somewhere the price have to correct. Okay, now the question is, before, I mean, it have to give a correction before continuation when we see this kind of the move. Now the only question is whether this is the only correction or we can expect a bigger correction. Okay, can we put this one in relative to this as this is a long running flat for the next move up, or we can expect to get a bigger correction? We'll be here for a longer time before we get the continuation. Okay, no, we cannot confirm. And if we move to forward chart, we have nothing to talk about, because right now we cannot see this is the end of this move and we can look for the reversal. The only thing is we need to wait to see what we get here. Okay, can we expect to get the correction for one move down? Yeah, it may happen. Or even we will get the price, this one can drop similar to what I draw here. Okay, no, we cannot confirm what we will be, I mean what we will get from here. The only thing is we have to wait. Now we want to see whether we can get any buy opportunity, because from now if we get any buy opportunity, we take it. We take the trade. But if this is not moving, we start to manage it. Okay, and right now, as if I put this one, internal correction, we get this one. Yeah, the best things is if the price break this low, any buy from there we will look for. But even right now, within this range, if any buy we get, we take it. Because right now, we don't have any buy setup. The only way we can trade if we get any sharp move with the flag or small correction for the next move. That's mean if we get any sharp move, correction, we take the trade. When the price come to this top, we start to manage. Okay, right now, this is the only way we can trade it, because we mentioned maybe we get the correction here for the next move down. Okay, even may the price come to this level, we get a flat for one move down. Okay, that's why any buy within this range with a sharp move and a flag, when the price comes to this level, we start to manage. And this score correction, this type of the move, we have mostly for others, Bitcoin and even other coins. Okay, that's why mostly depends on the behavior of the Bitcoin. That's why we will get this move down. All right, now the only thing is, how about if the price is moving very corrective? We are not going to trade it. Okay, anyway, we are not sure how deep this one can go. Okay, and we don't have any trade setup confirmation that, even we don't have any confirmation for the reversal, and also there is no trade setup. The only way we can trade, as I mentioned right now. Okay, and the best thing is we wait and see what we will get from here, and we should be aware maybe we get the correction for one move down. We shouldn't jump into the trade. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup or update, then I will share. And if the only way right now we can If we see this kind of the typical move, sharp move like, we can take the trade, and when the price come to this top, we start to manage. Again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.